Are you sick of Revit training programs that are only focused on architects and engineers? Well, BIM-TM's BIM Accelerate program is here for you. We can save your projects and your sanity. And BIM-TM's training program does things differently. 2-hour sessions, small groups, tailored to your trade, fits into your schedule. No more all-day sessions where you retain absolutely nothing. But don't take my word for it.
I know Revit so much better thanks to BIM-TM.
And with a training program as amazing as this, you might expect to pay up to $1 million.
Here, get the out of here. Nobody's paying $1 million. Oh,
God. How about 3,000? And our BIM Accelerate program is taught by real industry experts with real field experience.
No.
Not just a BIM nerd. Ooh, and we have a caller on the line now.
I just wanted to give you a call because I didn't know shit before BIM-TM's BIM Accelerate program.
And there you have it, folks.
I cannot handle any more of them today.
What are you waiting for? Act now before